Hello everybody, and welcome to the Sanyo presentation update. My name is Sam Malik. I'm here to introduce you today to the latest projector from Sanyo, the PLC-XU4000. Very deceiving little package, very small projector under 8 pounds, packs a wallop in brightness with 4,000 lumens of brightness, 2001 contrast ratio, and XGA resolution. So pretty incredible for the small size. Suggested retail price is $1,545, but you can check with your local dealer or distributor for your special pricing. Some really cool features is an intelligent lamp system is built into the XU4000. Intelligent lamp system, when you set it in auto mode, can serve up to 69% of the power consumption based on the material that's being fed through it. So it conserves the lamp rather than driving power and brightness through it the entire time. It uses what it needs to conserve energy. This means it's an ultra long lasting lamp and filter system. In eco mode, you're going to get about 5,000 hours or more of useful life out of it. So that's pretty incredible. 4,000 lumens, special power conserving option built into it. It's got your typical I/O connections built into the back. One of the cool features is a microphone input. So you can have a lapel mic or a handheld mic, plug it into the jack using the 10-watt speaker and amplification built into it. You can amplify your voice through an entire classroom or meeting room and have everybody hear what you're saying. Or you can run the microphone through it and use the easy output to run into an amplification or speaker system in your ceiling or your install. So a lot of features, very small projector, ultra long life lamp and filter, 5,000 hours in eco mode, RJ45 LAN connection built into it, easy setup. This projector is really simple to use. So high contrast ratio 2001, microphone input, network control, it's got it all. Suggested retail price is $1,545, and that's your Sanyo presentation update. We'll see you next time. Thank you.